Well, the gas gauge is repaired. It was a sending unit. The old unit had no float. The float had floated away, I guess. No float. So now we got the new unit in place, and turn it on here, and we'll watch the gauge come up. It's got about a quarter tank in it or so. And there it's moving. So now I know what's going on with the gas. And my clock works over there too. How about that? The original mechanical clock. See the second hand moving on it. I've repaired them before, but this one didn't need to be repaired. It's functioning fine. And the radio, I'm not sure, I think it works, but I had moved the antenna from the front to the back, and I never ran the an antenna cord all the way from the front under the carpet to the trunk to the back. So anyway, got that working. So next, after I get the booster back in, I might consider looking into doing the instrument panel lights with LEDs. I just heard the clock make the little sound that it makes when it resets the coil. There you go.